So an update from this rest stop off I-25 on the north side of La Bajada Hill heading into Santa Fe. We've been live here since 4:30 this morning and conditions are getting worse. We're definitely seeing the wind pick up in the snow starting to blow sideways. That's really starting to affect visibility. The good news is the interstate's open, but it is snow-packed and icy. So if you're heading between Santa Fe and Albuquerque today, slow down, take it slow, be careful. Definitely very dangerous driving conditions that you're going to encounter. Another update from our live location here at this rest stop off of I-25 south of Santa Fe. Things have really cleared up. The visibility was really bad earlier, a lot of blowing snow and wind. You can see the visibility is a lot better now, but road conditions are still pretty dangerous, snow-packed and icy. This person over there, I don't know if you can see that, they pulled over at the rest stop just to use the restroom and then ended up getting stuck in that ditch. So they're trying to dig themselves out right now. But other than that, the interstate is open. It's just slow going as you come over La Bajada Hill heading into Santa Fe right now.
First bit of movement this car has had in a few hours. Oh shit. Yeah, turn your wheels that way.
He just told me to go that way.
Oh, did he? Okay.
Yep.
We'll change.
Are we getting there?
We're getting somewhere.
At least we're moving. I think we made
That
it.
way, that way.
Did we make it?